ये देखो, इंडिया से हमारे लोगों ने भेजा है।
क्या ये जली?
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a significant legal change that impacts all of us. सोचिए आप शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं और पेमेंट करने के बाद आपको जो चेंज मिला उसमें एक या दो नोट नकली हैं. Scary, right? Well, there's good news on this front. The government has made an important amendment to the law regarding the possession of fake currency notes. Previously, under Section 242 of the Indian Penal Code, merely possessing counterfeit currency was a punishable offense. मतलब अगर आपको नहीं पता कि आपके पास जो नोट है वो असली है या नकली, तब भी आपको लीगल ट्रबल हो सकती है. बट विद द न्यू भारतीय न्याय संहिता, things have changed for the better. Section 242 of the IPC has been redefined and reintroduced as Section 178 in the भारतीय न्याय संहिता. ये अमेंडमेंट उन लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए है जो अनलोइंगली फेक करेंसी नोट्स रख लेते हैं. नाउ just having a fake note is not enough to land you in hot waters. The law requires something more. Under Section 178 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, for possession of counterfeit currency to be considered a crime, there must be an intention to use the fake currency as genuine. This is a huge relief for everyday citizens. मतलब अगर आपको गलती से फेक नोट मिल गया है तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिमिनल नहीं बनोगे. The law now recognizes that mistakes happen and it targets those who intentionally try to circulate counterfeit money. Now, with the new Section 178, as long as you didn't knew the note was fake and didn't intend to use it as real currency, you're in the clear. This change is all about fairness and protecting honest people. It acknowledges that in a world where counterfeit currency can circulate widely, punishing someone for merely possessing a fake note without any criminal intent is unjust. The focus is now rightly on those who knowingly and deliberately uses counterfeit currency, aiming to harm the economy and deceive others. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आपको कोई सस्पिशियस नोट मिले, याद रखो कि लॉ अब आपकी साइड पे है. ये एक मच नीडेड रिफॉर्म है जो पब्लिक को रिलीफ और जस्टिस का एहसास दिलाता है. इन्फॉर्म्ड रहो, कॉशियस रहो और ये याद रखो कि एक्सीडेंटल पोजेशन ऑफ फेक करेंसी अब आपको क्रिमिनल नहीं बनाता है. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज अपडेट. शेयर दिस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली so everyone knows about this important change. Thanks for listening. Take care.